Yeah, like we can just go to the gym tomorrow instead. Or like Monday. I need to clean my room. Oh, yeah, good enough. Alright, time for nap. The light's still on. God. I'll just leave it on. Too far. Hungry. Requires cooking, requires cooking. Oh, this will do. Clean clothes, clean clothes, clean clothes. Fuck, why didn't I do my laundry last week? Ugh. I had to use a shirt, right? Yeah, I should wear it. Is it? He'll call back. I need to do something to my hair. Good. Hello? That's like all the way. You know I live on the 4th floor. Okay, today. Today I will clean it. I'll clean it today. Clean. Okay. Great work. Let's regroup again tomorrow.